You're used to pulling point of sale reports, right? To get this data, you have to pull multiple point of sale reports. You're used to exporting those to spreadsheets. You're used to building custom Tableau reports, custom Looker reports, right? All these tools that are more of this like data reporting general tools. Pull this in and get your columns and your headers lined up, and then try to figure out how to pivot across them. Those things are slow. They can't do what Bob mentioned, which is understanding the domain and predicting what data you need access to, and then building that overnight and updating it every hour and caching it and making it available to you in a tenth of a second. Right? Cobb walked through all of those things. That's what we do. We figure out what data you need to act on. We make sure it's built, and we make sure it's accessible to you in a tenth of a second. What that means, and I was doing some of this clicking in the background, but that what that means is if I wanted to find at my downtown store, right? Let's do a downtown rec store. I wanted to find what $10 infused pre-rolls. I'm going to do downtown rec pre-rolls. I'm going to go in and do maximum $10. I'm going to make this a 1 gram pre-roll, and I'm going to make it infused. And I want to figure out which of my SKUs is my fastest moving 1 gram infused $10 pre-roll at downtown rec. Somebody comes into your office and asks you that. Like the system is faster than I can talk it out, right? Like that was up on, I wasn't even finished telling you like what query I was building in there. It's there, it's on the screen. You watch this live update. And this is live updating and crawling across 23,000 SKUs here in this 5-store set to find you that insight, which is actionable, right? Which one is my lowest performing? The questions you can pose to this, you can find those answers like this. You can find them in real time. You can find them while you're on a call with the brand, placing an order, trying to make a decision so that you don't over order, so that you don't carry too many SKUs, so somebody doesn't pressure you in a situation where you feel like I just gotta make a call. Sure, add it on there. You can pull this up. You can pull this up on a tablet. We were just talking about this yesterday. We're seeing buyers pull this up on tablets. You know, they might be pulled over in a car in a parking lot, you know, in front of the store. Like, oh, hold on a second, let me look. No, we don't need those. We're actually overstocked. We have too many 1 gram infused across a variety of brands. Like, not this order, maybe next time. You can make a data-driven decision in seconds when the data is available in tenths of seconds. You don't have to run back to your computer and spend 2 hours building a pivot table to give an answer, right? It's there, and it's available to you as literally as fast as you can click it. As fast as I can click and think about how I want to look at the data and what product I want to find, I can find it in there.
So do you want to then take that same example and then, because we talk about exploring it, looking at it, doing these things, the ultimate task is doing that order and doing that
Yep.
order in a way that's accurate with
Let's
SKU.
do it again.
It's a
Yeah,
T.
let's do it again. So
Teed
let's
you
do a
up.
$10. Yeah, let's do a $10 infuse. So one of the features we talked
Why
about
would
is
we want to know about $10 1 gram
Infused
yeah,
infused?
yeah. Why is
pre-rolls.
this group
I
important,
guess you probably
right?
want a brand on there too.
Yeah, yeah. If I'm gonna order, we see a lot of odds in here.
Like,
Let's do that one. So we'll just see from this. All right, $10, 1 gram infused pre-rolls from a brand. They're pitching me, they got 10 hot strains. I need to get my order in, right? I'm talking to them. They sent their Google sheet, that's their ordering interface for infused pre-rolls that I've got to go fill out and make a copy of. So I'm trying to figure this out, right? Demand groups, SKU groups, we're kind of in flux of we're probably you're gonna see this tab change from demand groups to SKU groups. The problem we're talking about are rotating SKUs, right? Look at this. There's a bunch of SKUs here.
94 different things across all these different
Yeah,
SKUs.
there's like I'm just talking about $10 infused pre-rolls, y'all. My top performing one, my jealousy Cushmans, may not be on that menu today, right? What I need to understand for accurate ordering in this scenario where drops come and they're only available for 2 weeks, and then I want to order it and I can't, but I still need to satisfy the demand of a set of products. My customers are coming in, they want 1 gram infused pre-rolls, they may want 1 gram in indica or hybrid pre-rolls. get down and understand the demand of that, right? Can filter this on the strain classifications here and understand that demand. But the problem is these SKUs are replacing each other. If Jealousy Mints was hot last week and I can't get it, they're going to buy something else. They might be bummed. You might go to the vendor and be like, that was so hot. Why didn't you grow more of that? That decision was made 90 days ago. You can't get it today. You can try to share the data with them so that they can better plan their canopy and get the right strains in. But the thing I need to know is what to order. I still have to order. I can't just be like, sorry, I'm not going to order. It wasn't available, right? So I'm going to create a demand group. And I am going to do $10 1 gram infused pre-rolls. A couple things on this. And once again, free trial. Come in, use this. We'll show you how it works. I won't click every button and show you everything in here. I mentioned I could share this with the vendor. I could put that vendor's name in here and say, I'm going to live share the demand with you so that you can better produce products that our customers want and cut products that aren't moving. And you can share that and transparently understand how all their SKUs are moving. It's really, really powerful. The vendor can get a suggested order from you automatically on Tuesdays. If you order from this vendor every Tuesday, you can put their email addresses in here, share that with them, and make that a transparent thing.